If your inducer motor won't start, blaming the thermostat might be the last thing you want to do because it's usually not the main culprit when it comes to heat and AC problems. So, first up, you gotta isolate where the problem's actually coming from. Start by checking the control board output to see if it's sending power to the inducer motor. If no power is reaching the motor, the control board might be faulty, or there could be an issue with the relay that controls it. Next, test the inducer motor's capacitor, because a bad capacitor can stop the motor from spinning, even if everything else looks fine. Also, inspect the wiring connections around the motor and control board to make sure nothing's loose or burnt out. Sometimes, the problem is a simple relay fault, so swapping that out might do the trick. If you're not comfortable testing electrical parts, it's smart to call a pro who knows how to safely check these components. Remember, the thermostat mostly tells your system when to turn on or off. It rarely messes with the inducer motor itself, so focus on those control board outputs, capacitors, and relays before blaming your thermostat. One of the biggest mistakes people make with inducer motor and thermostat issues is assuming that a thermostat problem automatically means the inducer motor won't start, which leads to unnecessary thermostat replacements. Fix this by testing other parts like the control board and relay first. Another common issue is ignoring a bad capacitor on the inducer motor, which often causes starting failures. Testing and replacing a capacitor is usually a quick fix. Lastly, folks sometimes overlook checking wiring and connections around the inducer, motor, and control board, which can cause intermittent or complete failure. Making sure all connections are tight and damage-free can save a lot of headaches. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners quickly find trusted local contractors for heating and cooling repairs, so they don't have to waste time guessing who's reliable. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with real customers looking for their specific services, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.